Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Spendee Budget Planner app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Spendee application on your device. And if you have set up a passcode, then just enter your PIN in order to access the application timeline. From here, you can directly enter and add your transaction using the plus button. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, click on the More icon at the bottom right corner and then scroll all the way down until you see the Logout button. Go ahead and click on it, and now you will be logged out from your Spendee application account right away. If you wish to sign back in once again, you can use your social accounts or your email address and your password. Now, it is important to note that simply logging out may not remove all of your data from the application. So if you wish to clear all of your data as well, then just long press on the Spendee application and then click on App Info. This will then take you into the application page for the Spendee app. From here, just tap on Storage Usage, and now you can choose to clear the data as well as the application cache. When you clear both the application cache and your data, all of your information from the application log will be removed. And there you have it. That is how you can safely log out from the Spendee application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.